Hi, welcome to my garage. I'm Dave. Back for another, installation. Anyway, we got the brakes bled. A friend of mine stopped by on his way back from Nevada, him and his wife, and we bled the brakes. Everything looked good, and I knew I should have done this, but I didn't. I came out the next morning, master cylinder was leaking, so again, ordered from my favorite online store, and anyway, the master cylinder is back underneath the fender here. Oh, you get a better contrast from up here. So anyway, I'll be doing that by braille and get that done. So anyway, I got this, and also my truck, the fuel pump went out, so I ordered that too. Got that in. Let's see what we got here. See if it's the right one. Yeah, looks like the right one. Yep. Now when I looked this up, I was thinking I'll get a rebuild kit, and then I looked up what the difference in the price was. $2. Rebuild kit or a complete one, $2. Couldn't believe it. So anyway, here it is. Got all the goodies with it, and I got some adapters there. Cool. I'll bench bleed it and then install it, and get somebody over here to help me tackle the brakes again. Anyway, let me post that when I get to it. Thanks. Well, I'm going in to take the master cylinder off the old one, but first I have to work around the massive American V8, as Jeremy Clarkson would say. Massive horsepower. Massive torque. Anyway, that's what I'm working with down in there. So, trying to figure out what size that is. Where's that line at? One. Might have to go underneath the car to get up here. Yeah, I got underneath it, and I can get it. There's not enough room for two arms up in there, but I'll get it one way or another. Stay tuned. Okay. Get out of there. Finally. Got her out. Well, the only difference I can see is we've got this adapter. We'll go back there, and they gave you one in the, or we'll go back here. So anyway, they gave me one in a new kit. So other than that, everything looks the same. So I will bench bleed these, and of course I can't find my lines for those, so I'll just do it the crappy way. Anyway, I'm going to bench bleed this. I can't find my lines, so I'll put a little in here, a little in there. Let's see.